Thinking about starting your own supplement company in the UK? You are in the right place. With the growing demand for health and wellness products, launching a supplement company can be an exciting and profitable venture. From vitamins and minerals to plant extracts and essential fatty acids, the supplement market offers vast opportunities, but it also comes with strict regulations. In this guide, I will walk you through the steps you need to know, from understanding what a supplement is to getting your products to market. By the end of this video, you will know your supplement business and how to make sure your products comply with the UK law. To simplify the company registration process, I recommend using First Formations. They've been trusted by over 1 million businesses since 2014, and they can help you set up your company in just 24 hours. Check them out via the link in the description below. It's an affiliate link, so I will earn a small commission at no extra cost to you if you decide to use it. Thank you for supporting the channel. Now, let's dive in. Step 1. Understanding food supplements. The first thing you need to understand is what a food supplement actually is. In the UK, a food supplement is any product designed to supplement a normal diet. This means it's a concentrated source of vitamins, minerals, or other substances that have a nutritional or physiological effect on the body. These products are not medicinal, meaning they are not intended to treat or prevent diseases. Instead, their role is to correct nutritional deficiencies, maintain an adequate intake of certain nutrients, or support specific bodily functions. For example, food supplements can include things like vitamins, minerals, amino acids, essential fatty acids, fiber, and various plant and herbal extracts. While these products can help people improve their health, it's important to remember that they are not drugs, so they cannot be marketed as treatments for any medical conditions. Step 2. Legal requirements for selling supplements in the UK. Now that you know what food supplements are, let's talk about the legal side of things. In the UK, supplements are regulated as foods, so they must comply with general food law. If you are planning to sell supplements, you need to register as a food business operator or FBO with your local authority. This is a legal requirement, and it's something you need to do before you start selling any products. It's also important to note that if you're selling supplements in Northern Ireland, different rules apply due to the Northern Ireland Protocol. This means that EU food law continues to apply in Northern Ireland, so you'll need to ensure your products meet both UK and EU standards if you're operating there. Step 3. Sourcing safe ingredients. One of the most crucial aspects of running a supplement business is ensuring the safety of your products. To do this, you'll need to source your ingredients from reputable suppliers. Make sure your supplier is registered with their local authority and that they can provide you with proper documentation, like invoices and receipts. When buying ingredients, especially online, be cautious of counterfeit products. If the price seems too good to be true, it probably is. You should also be aware of illegal substances like DNP, which is sometimes marketed as a diet pill. DNP is illegal for human consumption in the UK. Also, if you come across anyone selling it, report them to the local authorities immediately. Step 4. Keeping records. Once you start selling supplements, you will need to keep thorough records of your transactions. This is important for traceability and ensuring that you comply with food safety laws. You should keep documents such as invoices and delivery notes that detail where you bought your ingredients and to whom you sold your products. These records must be available if enforcement authorities ever request them. So, staying organized is the key. Proper record keeping is not just about compliance, it's also an important part of building trust with your customers. Step 5. Labeling your supplements. Correct labeling is one of the most important legal requirements when selling supplements. In the UK, food supplements must be labeled as such. They cannot be labeled as dietary supplements, as this is not correct term under UK law. There are several things that must appear on your product's label. First, the business name and address need to be included. This could be either the name of the business under which the food is marketed or the address of the importer. Additionally, the label needs to list all the ingredients, including any allergens. You also need to include conditions for use, such as the recommended daily dosage and a warning not to exceed this amount. Storage instructions must also be listed, including a statement that the product should be kept out of reach of children. Your label must show the product's best before or use by date, the amount of any vitamins or minerals, and a clear statement that supplements should not be used as a substitute for a varied diet. If you're selling in Northern Ireland or in the EU, make sure to follow their specific regulations. Step 6. Importing supplements. If you're planning to import supplements in the UK, you have additional responsibilities. As the importer, you are legally responsible for ensuring that the products meet all the UK standards for safety, composition, and labeling. This means you'll need to work closely with your suppliers to make sure everything is in order before you start selling. Importing products might seem straightforward, but it's important to remember that once the products are in the UK, you're fully accountable for them. You need to ensure that everything from the ingredients to the packaging complies with the UK laws. So, really take your time to do your due diligence when selecting international suppliers. Step 7. Legal compliance in the UK post-Brexit. Since Brexit, the UK has made some changes to how supplements are regulated. Prior to January 21, the UK followed EU regulations on food supplements. However, the UK now has its own list of vitamins and minerals that can be used in food supplements. Each nation within the UK, England, Scotland, Wales, and Northern Ireland, has its own set of regulations for food supplements. So, you need to familiarize yourself with the law specific to your region where you plan to operate. To make your research easier, I have linked the page from the Food Standards Agency website listing all the nation's legal requirements in the descriptions of this video, so check it out. The good news is that the basic principles remain the same in all the nations, but it's still important to stay updated on any changes and specific requirements. Step 8. Registering your supplement company. Once you have a clear understanding of the regulations, it's time to officially register your company. In the UK, you will need to register with Companies House as a limited company. This involves providing a business address, details of your company's directors, and information about your shareholders. You will also need to register for corporation tax with HMRC. Depending on your turnover, you might also need to register for VAT. If you need help with registering your company, using a company formation service like First Formations can make the process much easier and quicker. So, check them out through the link in the descriptions. Also, if you would like more information on how to create a LTD company in the UK, I have a whole video created for you with a step-by-step guide. That is also linked in the descriptions. Step 9. Marketing and selling your supplements. Once your business is registered and your products are ready, it's time to start selling. When marketing your supplements, you'll need to make sure that all your advertising complies with the UK law. You cannot make any medicinal claims about your products, so avoid suggesting that they can treat or cure any medical conditions. Selling online is one of the best ways to reach a wide audience. You can set up your own website or sell through popular platforms like Amazon. Whichever route you choose, building brand trust is essential. Make sure your product descriptions are clear, your packaging is high quality, and you provide third-party testing results, if possible, to reassure customers of your product's safety and efficacy. Step 10. Maintaining compliance and growing your business. As your supplement business grows, it's important to maintain compliance with the UK regulations. This means submitting annual confirmation statements and filing your accounts with Companies House. If you decide to expand your product range, ensure that any new supplements you introduce comply with the latest legal requirements. It's also a good idea to stay informed about any changes in the law that could affect your business. The supplement industry is regulated to ensure consumer safety, so keeping up with the legislative updates is essential to avoid any legal issues down the line. Starting a supplement company in the UK is a fantastic opportunity, but it requires careful planning and strict adherence to legal requirements. From sourcing safe ingredients to keeping detailed records, following these steps will help you get started with establishing a strong, compliant business that meets the growing demand for health supplements. You can find plenty of useful and reliable material on food supplement business by the UK government as well as the Food Standards Agency. Make sure to read everything to be fully informed about your requirements. You can find all the links in the description. And if you're looking for a quick and easy way to register your supplement company, First Formations offers excellent service to get your company set up in as little as 24 hours. Don't forget to check out the affiliate link in the descriptions to get started right away. I thank you for watching this video. I hope it provided you with all the information you need, and good luck with your business journey.